Welcome to YouTube channel Beauty Model Ideas. Aubrey Hoover is a model, poet, and social media influencer known for her stunning figure, natural beauty, and creative talent. Born in Latvia, Aubrey was adopted by a family from Nashville, Tennessee, when she was just 1 year old. She began her career in the modeling industry at 9 and has since worked with numerous popular brands and agencies. However, modeling is not the only talent that Aubrey possesses. She is also a talented poet currently working on an anthology of original poetry.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe YouTube channel Beauty Model Ideas.